Toa Ashanti any greater crowd in Shuno Jemupa. I don't know of Eastern region, I don't know of Western, I don't know of Northern regions, but in Shu okay.
Kawasem, what you want for me, poor Kawasem, central announcer, Kawasem,
Anunti,
Kawasem,
Anopay, me perceive the manager, Bono, Ahafo, Bono East.
Kawasem, me no name Kawasem, Kawasem, me no name Kawasem, what you want for me, poor Kawasem,
Bono, Ahafo, Bono East. More Bono Bottom. More Ahafo. More Bono East. Wow, Shema no pay. Number na good TV no so no. Ofra. Obetima be Kawasem. E de na da wakoma so eye garam say. Eye akwan. Eye nsuo. Eye kanea. Eye amabu o mampani jo mamebu. So wani engoye. Uye Ghana ba mapa. Come and speak your mind. Kawasem. Number no 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Anope bro hafo bro regions more special power. Yeah, the mashas here. Let's hear from you. From Sekwa. From Japakrum, Jatokrum. Hello, good morning. Hello. Woko. What's Woko? 0551931931. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, when you? Oh, because every half for Kawasama no pay.
I want to say some parties here there and open news in our moment. And Mumba is 650. Yeah, I have a question man open. He's really.
And Yamio. Yamia, some way I come once him.
My name is Mungus Moncana, a higher power. Some fires are saying in an exit. You see, my cram, my shimna, in Chay.
Matia, and by the normal circumstance, come morning show 6:30. You better not say now about 6:50 something. Makan, yes, I mean kind. Makan. At 24 Mutia, they may catch them on or more about 10 so cano. Under normal circumstances, we are not supposed to enter into sports for time. But intimate trial 6:50 and I 6:51. Now about 7 sorry, will be Ankasa. The morning show, we are supposed to express ourselves. The in-house panel is supposed to put things to bed. Where near the kidding? I know, Pemma, Mrs. McQuarrie. This is a missed call for you, Mr. Robert. Our managing director, Robert. This is a missed call. I was some ha amount. Makawi. Yanko. Hello.
This is a missed call for you, Mr. Robert.
About John Teo, Hobra, Homano Sunny too. Hello, good morning.
This is a missed call.
Who did you hold the idea? Brody Pegua, Homano so.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho Windy.
About your friend Richmond, because I think you let me, sir.
Okay, that's free.
Can you let me, sir? Jema South District, Bono East.
Bono East, Mammy Tiano Pay, Cassim.
About your matter, we say, how your case cowboy there, Papa. Your case custom, and why there, Pa.
Hokasica.
Aye, a lot of fair. You need to find the
boy. Chama.
About your day.
Oh, Chama Be.
I will try a better easy from your whole cottage. Is less than 30 minutes, almost 25 cities.
Hey!
Who free to my airport in Tampa 40 cities?
Almost a crying Yamboa.
You can tamp 40 cities.
Maybe I told the Chiban to Sunyani no. Ayisa no. Me bacho omo de ase kwan no me boa.
Me bacho omo kwan bi asfalta me di se wonu kwan no papa.
Na asfalt dey no omo jum 25 cities.
25 cities, bi 30 cities. Ulo du kan no do free. Ayi techima airport in Tampa 40 cities. Ubeti Jema 35 cities. Omu kuye pa abra from Kumasi to Techima is almost 3 hours. Omu 50 cities.
From Kumasi to Techima no mo ye 50 cities.
Almost 3 hours journey.
Now from Awisa to Techima no aye 30.
Techima no to in Tampa no aye 40 cities. Ubeti Kwema Jema.
Beba, mami muso asem. Techima to Kintampo how many hours?
It's less than 1 hour. Okay, you are 45 minutes. I will say we drew.
And Kumasi to Techima 3 hours no 50.
50 cities.
And Techima to Kintampo no mo 40.
40 cities 30.
But your omo reason is say.
Omo reason e won ti ase omo te asu test ke obi asu to test kem. Yo kwa mu 50 pe yire bisa ko jima. It's almost 6 minutes ka you 7 cities. If you look at the 10 cities crag.
I know they.
Yes, the moment can be my
Lenti ayi loading men ne sa omo station ya ne from say kra. Ane na mo yesa. Mo anti atwamene bo am de mankofo yi about adai. Too much. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho hwanye.
Pacho, my friend Daniel, kata to Brekum.
Daniel Kawasem from Brekum. Yetiu.
Pacho mo say I Brekum. Yeah, what I'm didn't type Yansu. Yes, some of what I was from Yansu.
And so why are they Brekum?
Bruno be them didn't lie on.
Bruno, your friend say,
Tam Diddy.
Mantio.
Tam Diddy.
I just said the whole funny Tambidi. I know, and your brother no hodo, Tambidi. Mr. Moa, what works? Tambidi Fosu. Tambidi Brekum. Yasi ho nyina nsuo ma. Omo timi tamdi na omo nya nsuo no. Eti Mr. Moa, monko wo moa. Ye de atu dwase na matu anama nim se anopa mu nyina mu tie yen. Also fresh 0551931931 Bono Afo Bono East. Na yentie won so ensem a wo ka. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Uncle mine.
Yes sir. Pacho hwande.
Cardinal Catastrophe of one region, German of precise Tampa.
Okay, Cardinal Kawasem.
Uncle mine, in fact, from Brekum West, the same from General ABC Tampa, we are finding there. The catcher was there. Who's working and so free. Muslim is in Chile. More than 5 hours and say what do Tampa. We can find about 2 hours. You find a never for. And the best if it comes on the Omo Sampa, in fact, this time they was so hano. I'm even man the Konanke market day. And so over by 11 to 12 from the market network because of his tenant capacity. In fact, the report is the so I'm not to enforce it among Sampa. No, that's fine. So, among Rasso, my.
Akawasem kama. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Pacho hwande.
Asa me kasa say. Tamu afreje.
Yo, Kawasem.
Me Pacho. Me komo ni na me say. E friend usu kasa say.
Yo, Owusu mentie TV no. O de wo kasa mete why?
Me ta say yo.
Kasa.
Me kasa free wenki. Na me program ne say ba na udi ka kasa ya no. Me kureni. Money show no yitie mo pa, ntie amama ntemai. Na secondary ayi aban mo. Ba che yo. Nti when
hello.
Nti ayi kan say Amano obai sisi no man kwenye kura otu ade ayen tokura no man bo kura pa for me ento ki ye no waka na se oke kan ho mai
machi
right
aban ye se ne ma na ebo na ba form so amam for purchasing power no form asem ni nyina ne se aban we ya se inflation in near maybe our year near into a year sick. Et you book cooked chroma, Sikan shed any chrome. No crania bacope. Sika pa shed a nini pansem. Because it was a ban spending more. Though the Sikako District Assembly is common fund near day. But I don't say construction. Emma Sika running war system ni more. But construction works nem koso set was a koso. Unsi yesi suku atai unsi ye we. And on the basa no amount for air to iron rods ye to we ne sika no ne twa ne ho. Local economies no ne cities no na but sadly no you don't see it now. The why omo ye real estate for motor cement no ne adcc adan. And no cry see about form kakra. Sika seda pa no say and never can cry. I want you ni ho say I want you to but sika ni pansem. Because government is the number one spender in the economy. But it's not spending as it's supposed to. Why you or general inflation? General way, the macro figures ne ye juma. Inflation a do say ya boy buying about so dollar do say yeah, but sika pan in the paboto. No. Yo. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Uncle.
Pacho when
Pacho, Daniel, you will accept it.
For my into an opera cawasem.
Pacho, no super, a dam of Puma, Uncle. Pacho, the same you think my thing.
Mimusa, why?
A great minister.
Aha, a year Kopoku.
Pacho,
for this year. I will have.
Musa my thing. The serious a great college graduation. Almost young day.
A graduate, a great graduate, Anna.
A great graduate, yes.
Aha, more quite great school, no.
Yeah, quite great school.
Also, all your day.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, and then because online a great minister.
Okay.
Quite great college, yeah. You take a training for Yaya Pustino. Nursing training or quite Yaya Pustino. A great college, yeah. And one is so teaching your uncle of mine. You need that to be into a sermon on my woman pursue build there. Me, I wouldn't quite the fact.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Wayne.
And to say,
that's what let me have them back on. Okay.
Me who you do, Mammy Tiano pay.
Amen. Wayne, I can say free averaging.
Okay. Kawasem.
El Kuboku 2020.
Okay.
Wayne, I want to assume you include more than 15. Let's look at a problem. Let's work.
Munya network.
Union network, yeah, Breo.
That's all but Fro be I just saw compare before Bisujina.
You don't compare because Bisujina. And no crown, I said, I'll bring a cry problem.
Oh, Eric, and MTM for ne, other in Casa. Is there any more do? Eric, is there any more do?
Is any more do?
Now, my in a sutrade.
Ya can't.
Would you jay? I no pay me, we are my catcher. My schoolmate, no, me didn't go university together. My catcher. Me cry now, me in the class rep. Now, Mr. Silpa, or your assignment, I'm saying, you know this, Sammy. Back at you, why? Rico Puku. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Master.
Yes, sir. When you?
That's all. I want what the time I can say. Yeah, you know, the call as my team.
Oh, free.
Especially what they are born at the Japan.
But your member, Hawaii. You were Bono half for Bono East. You know, Asante Regime. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. When you?
That's all. If I'm a boy,
you are boy who you, Mammy Joe.
I don't pay the me free.
Kawasem.
My master Milan said, me will could be a friend of Casape. Now, free Ufri ebedi akomba kasapin no ekwan no nye anti yesembe mvose ababa ko esese omonye ho bilima nyesa na ufri kasapin so ko ekrobi efe ne kam
camp
ekwan no utimi otike ma ka no dane ne ho a utimi esensu kura ofomunum
utimi yedai
utimi sensu ofomunum ekwan na se
ka ne dane ho utimi sensu ofom
Zona da kwani bino, zona da kwani utimi so bino.
That's it. Ka ne dane ho na emuni.
Now, yeah, ogbe muwu ano no. Nti
utimi sensu ofom. Already I go for Ghana. Anyway, menim sam dodo na mo pese mo frɛ ba me mre na so ha. Ma me fa nipa ba ko so gina so a. Na fe ye ne time for to chin komo. Na afi yento aso ene yesa ne Patrick Natural Health Clinic ebejo twen commercial so. Hello, good morning.
Bokode
Me hu ye pa wan die
pa so be kasa free bono be dia
Akua kawasem
Pancho omo munya scholarship ko UK na dey am onye ntia na
adai
wa me bra on mo see am man to Friday ye don mo ma fi school mo
asafo jasu ye no
so ye munya hu bi my wife
kuku amu mumpusu asafo je ma me wai mumusa asafo je sa me say UK for no tie mu ba me ha say omu school fees a was ye titia ma omu ko school no ya mom up to Friday nyesa they will be sacked out of campus and untino from campus into Misrel busa asafo je ma me scholarship secretariat executive director no okay time for mo to say
ohene nyankopon adom
bibia boko
erade kita yen kakra
e do ba de ase
bibia ye boko
hospital clinic no so ba adwuma
fa clinic no so ye ba adwuma den
mo clinic no de say
Kenoga
Herbal Clinic beautiful e wo hefa
the pacho ye chira kwa espresso
adeja
usi Sakura Junction
ene yira kwa
ye bi kra
Kenoga Herbal Clinic Dr. Ayade
Kenoga
Kenoga. I pass I want to have on any design view. Doctor Onye.
Only okay can you ma say
yes, I was like Dina Beto. Mami Tiano pay.
You on your name be down near tea for no ahefo nyina ase. Abusia mutie na no pay. Kenoga Herbal Clinic yaso wo espresso adeja. Ufri ekromu na eba na wasi kejetia anase edumu a edum police station animo anansu ase ho a ubenya eputioja anase stress car me pacha wo fa ya usu besi Ophelia Junction na taxi drivers no ho honom no wa fro car ni bi oso ba adeja usi adeja Sakura Junction upeja wuti ya obehunu Kenoga Herbal Clinic ho na Dr. Nana Otafrija Nyankopon Adaroma obo adwuma so eboa Ghana man ni wiase afa na nyina mesre ebia na wotika mu a wo ba yaso ye ho open direction ni yi a wo de fa telephone number yi frɛ was 020
020
40
053
053
053
I say 027
83 73 018 027 83 73 018
Kenoga
Herbal Clinic.
Me pacho ebusia a wotie me na no pay mesre ohunam akwa ne nyina na ultim sensuo na etoto no echese eja binum ti yare eja bi na pomumre chese wo joint nyina sa amre nsuo to na echese dodo na ehunam mane ameka se obu onu man di kotodwe echese ne hunam nyina wo ye ne ho hwe a enyeye for wani kire Kenoga Herbal Clinic ewa abra ye de aduro kan no wanya yare saso nkokora se kidney yare ya yere ye ho a ye bo ho dawuro pa ye chese edi adasanya me pacho pi ma me ne papa hyene ma bi nso uyo obi a woda sori anopa na meka se onamu etutu afa ohun se wonase apagya saa so na wani achi nyina apagya nimu dua ni nyina so apagya hyene so se bibi atechema ewo kidney ehonom meka se o kidney na chese ye wo sabo ho asem na meken se ba say so a na aba beka eye wo liver se wo liver na eye wo brebo no so ho kade a na che se ebe die wo diabetes che se niam bi wo nipadua mu a ye frɛ ne insulin sa insulin no eno na si kire nuane a ye di enkyene nuane a ye di aduane bi a ye di bi a beba be ye nuane dro wo nipadua mu no insulin na etwe na de akofra wo mogya no na ama ho de soronko kyerɛ se yare bi bebo awura nipadua no mu na insulin na boa a fight etia yare kro na eba no na obi wo no ma insulin no owo bi nanso so no entimi fight entia yare a eba no eno no nyina beka ho ma wotimi benya diabetes obi also an insulin no esakra eno so so mboa fight entia yare bi eba nipadua no eno obi also so kra onni bi kra eba se ya for nature Kenoga Herbal Clinic a ya so ewo espresso adagya me pacho senia me kire mu no de wonam fom a si eye espresso Ophelia Junction usi Ophelia Junction na obenya taxi ewo honom fa taxi no na chese esi ewo Sakora Junction hona Kenoga Herbal Clinic ya so ye no ewo sa yare a me bobo so nyina e se koba se bia ba oni padua mu a automatically ubetimi anya yare a ye friend of pressure se be high pressure say ye low pressure ma many papa shene so ene se obi wonu ma beka se ene na nam ene na dwu ya o ade e be kene nipa ne so wu dadem obeko na low pressure ene chese ekuno e ba se ya hu sa symptoms bi ya me bobo so ya tumrika nefa wani kire Kenoga Herbal Clinic eno na doctor ye nana otafrija akeka numra hahama eni nua hine ano onam ye de kan no wanya wa yaresa eda nche ameka we no minim dodo na omoba yaso ya obu onu ma wodaka mu eche so ye no hwe onye yi obu oso ye kurukura no obu okura pomam e no de ba nenso oba ye de ne befa emfidiem ye be diagnose no ni ahwe free ne soro be siniform ni ahwe yare pot ya eha no because obu onu obetena doctor animu a obetimi aka say doctor we e na eha me nenso so na nye yare kro na ye fa abefo kwan so ni afa ye do afa emfidiem na eche say lab ni a wobeye ni ade nyina ya hwe ni nyina kama asa na de adro na ma enye se woba ya ni asoa endro ni nyina ade agu so afi so mesrao hye so se wo ye bema wo experience sexual weakness ana wo ye oba wo so wonte de afi wo bu nsa che se wo ti pain dodo na wo bu nsa je se wiase ana se efie a wo ti mu nyina obi ate se ma me no ne bosom ya ye den aso debida for nature Kenoga Herbal Clinic Dr. Nana Watafrija ebeboa no wanya wa yaresa afi so sexual weakness eno an edidi mu a ebema nkwamwo ewo mu no be yemre wa bra wontimi enya eba me pachopi se wo ye bema anase wo ba meka infertility wachini ache wabre a wo peba wanante eche se nidaso nyina asa meka we ahye Kristo di animonyam se nyame ene sayare nyame na emaba neso nyame de nam Dr. Nana Watafrija oda Kenoga Herbal Clinic aso ye so ebema wo so wanya banana anase wanya ba ankasa ato na so mesre me pacho saji number yi biem Dr. Atenase anopa ya no free no nsia e kopim no nsia Dr. ehwe ayarefo nyina se obenya wa yaresa me pacho frɛ was 020 40 053 020 40 053 and I say 027 83 73 018 027 83 73 018 afi wo yo bisusu a us experience bubu yare menka ne se edwodwo yare eye stroke me pacho pi hyene so ema me se stroke yare nya bo se dia na eche se ede asem enenam eche se de obedie de wobenom bibia obeye bia age se adasa anase nipa dasani ene opagya wo anaso na tete aduane ehye wonsem stroke ye yare a diga na manya payie ma me ne papa wutie ma me sra wo pa for nature Kenoga Herbal Clinic wo yo bia wonsa eye otitriti afi so onai so ye otitriti ugina hono ma so wote wona wo so age se ode onai pempem wono mo abeye simaduasa ansa na watimi atu onai mpo kai hunu se stroke yare no ene ebo wonkaye fa wo nature Kenoga Herbal Clinic ne beje wa yare sasron kokra afi so wo yo experience yefunu yare eye osa asem na make yɛwɔ dodowa ulcer yɛwɔ peptic ulcer ɛne ulcer nkaeɛ nyinaa wodidi mmea a ɛyɛ asɛm wondidi so a ɛyɛ asɛm ɛkyɛ sɛ mesrɛ wo pii Kenoga Herbal Clinic fa wɔn ani kyerɛ yasoɛyɛ na yɛma wɔduro soronko koraa a wonom akyɛ koraa na mmiɛnsa wobɛnya wayaresa na afei wo so asɔre atumi abɔ adwuma aboa w'abusua meka wei nyinaa no obi bɛka sɛ doctor ɔma amɔ yɛ yareɛ so mepaakyɛw pii ebi mmerɛ no ɛmma kwan no nti no yɛama wo yareɛ so a ɛnkyerɛ sɛ Kenoga Herbal Clinic yasoɛyɛ wɔ yɛniw saa wo yareɛ no ano aduro mepaakyɛw pii for ni kyerɛ na mi si number ne so biem na answer no ma kyerɛ sɛ Kenoga Herbal Clinic yɛwɔ srɛ so Adagya Sakora Junction me patch of free was 020 40 50 sorry 053 027 83 73 018 027 83 73 018 Kenoga Herbal Clinic Espresso Adagya Dr. Atenase bomodin ase wo beduru osisi a na so ebeje wa yaresa.
Thank you very much for
that.
Na ade we ya metie eye no kra na government to introduce sports levy as a major primary source of sports fund. Sports fund mebusa omo. Na you betting tax and free word sports levy ba. Hey, sports levy no how many betua? The whole nation and I say, me who be bisa post be na Mr. Sports Minister. O my who say a faker because about 2-3 days now. Me who so many faker bomo. Ye do man penny your mama ne Sports Minister. Emponi na abo ato. Any atro asye government to introduce sports levy as a primary source for sports fund. Chemaso. Anything I mean, we say, Mr. Momo Bobbin Chiremo. And the sports levy, just a Yagres Basso. Now, but your betting tax, no, and your sports, and I aid you almost. Savannah Pinto. One ever Savannah Pinto. Hey, but John, the Udia, Mammy Tierney, you've got me who you know my dream. Now, better than every year. And it is sports levy. Now, sports levy, no, now I say, a buy no edge to yet the sports levy be shaped to say a bat. National Health Insurance levy, e-levy a year free ho, COVID levy near a year free ho, but yet the sports levy be shed na name. There be now who got out there who say we are sports near and I just sports near. There's some naka. And our go stadium now who could chat take it and sports levy come. So I know who now watching you sir, but you minister. That's a Greek force we here near the Greek levy near the food levy you know Ghana. Anyway, Central Western North. Yeah, Kaya Sem.
Kawasem, we know name parcha sem. Kawasem, we know name parcha sem. Kawasem, what the more for me buate. Kawasem.
Central Western North. Mumra Homano so na mume Kawasem. Me say eyo mampeni amemu awobu MPP for wasem ye cotton sensem ya kwan ye nsuo ye nkane bibia wo man mu a wo ye oman ba opese o ka wasem no sompa Kawasem on a Wednesday we give you the platform. Call us ne Kawasem. Good morning.
Morning, oh my.
Beba chawanye.
About John Queen, we go to be viewing in Napoli.
About your volume, no TV volume, in form.
My free one.
My Intiano pay.
My mini kind, Doctor Brana Champo. I'm the Christian Bera, only the department of the papa Oka. I'm going to go up to JFK now. I'm mention. Now, on my message, maybe Baba Beshe, I get them say once and some. Not a big crack. On my head, who free at Mampu, Sunday, Nameko, any BBN. Now, my would do Krobi to Sabbath. Sunday, you Muku, yes, Galam, Yajuma. And she started with us saying, one and I time I want to meet the two Galam, they say, action on the Galam, the Gayana. I only have one question. I was most time I want to meet the Galam, and they say, no, I'm going to make a call. Yamani Bay attachment. I've been done one with the action on the Galam, the Gay. Where's your first question? Anna, I would live here, would be a very difficult smart girl, what they must Ghana, Ghana, the movie now. Mamma, let me go over 10 years, so to go the VA. Not a real, and never school placement is a normal because no matter. And the best rabbi, one get on wood and you go to Ghana, and
I say, hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Why you?
I'm a friend, Peter. Because a friend, man.
And Zema, Kawasa Minia Peter.
My lady Boko, Obanzima Jura. Obanzima Jura. I want to an Opemica Jeffrina. Global Quefena. Yeah, you like it as Kobe Bosmin. I transform and a gatum. Now,
Munich, the Kanya.
Yeah, transformer.
Transformer, Nashama, light cut off.
I call Jumbo Sumikurani.
Hey,
then Pinupra now was you on Yaban or Baba here, a light in Amaya.
There be, Mr. and fasten way MP. MP Ben Becassa.
Oh, other my mean Chantro.
MP is one year when you are buying one day.
Baba here, light in Amaya, and Penfo promotion as some more time.
Our MPP, MP, and NDC MP.
Why NDC MP? I
not buy one.
Not you couldn't know Mutuman by.
Was you on your no buying one transformer, mamma?
And this is
I'm afraid ECG and I'm afraid.
One got just 0 charge and Penfo engineer to that line.
Hey, more MP, friend to say.
I could feel and Nico was a didn't cry who gone to me more.
What a constituency bear?
A valid jura.
A valid jura.
But you are not the mafia who are not on the
there be enough a kuano.
Aha.
A value jura.
And Bacha,
I agree, one penny, dear mammy. A child already annoying. Me cry me defend this MP to me, Cassa. But also in Chantroti, one penny, mammy, we say MP say. Chrome man so I'm afraid also when you
also not buying over here like my no my I back on 2 animal. I can't say I want to see information a yama idea call. And I need now to go almost then some more time and Jamaica and
she see Amunya network now, Muso Amunsanya Kania.
Yes, I can network in Kanya see Nebi.
Mate. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Me pacho wine ye.
But the friend Emmanuel.
Free.
Free half of gozo.
Pacho, you chemo half of gozo. You were Western, North, Central region. And now I'm going to be strict with it. Obia, free ho. Said the Bay Western region for also, so Western North for also being your time, afraid. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wine ye.
Pacho feminine I got me kasa huge food price.
Nana Kawase.
Masterman and I'm security service for me before me security service.
Okay.
Besides immigration. Let me pacho in your man quarterly in the last the nurses for near demonstration as you feel myself. In any kind of demonstration, the demonstration the year can have a bit over a mouthful.
About your immigration.
But I. So, ranking put time or so on. come at the back count on Bob Bra. Oba Kenya, can this all chase Catamobile? If you can sing classification, much more and San what I know rank it.
Are they Ukotia Winyana?
Chiabinya Sita, Uchiwan Chiawinya.
Our national headquarters of immigration. So, to me, a bow row, Pesica Mobia on Sabacao, while allowances also enough for will transfer nay. Monthly allowance for
Ubenya. Yes, and Ubenya or if anything, a rank camp. Now, Cheska Ubenya says camp. And two, the World Medical Report, and you think German some called a punching committee, then a contact committee, then or a contact say, or no, will be busy for the area, we call regional. We are making a semi yale wine gaps coming. Obiso Butcher will come on my many scam.
There's a medical report now. The hospital now we also Mutiama no so be Daniasem.
Yes, Papa na some kind of Friday na last week said we are in our hospital. But we transfer for hospital there you finish school echo. I think for Papa be asem na oka. Papa na ye control organization in the same going to. Me himself no pointing here, but then for the matter a coward catch in Bubia.
That's a chantro appointment committee and him.
Yes, say near regional near a moment original. Not to your call hospital do a thing for your call, the area free for hospital for offensive practice, but more transit for assistance Joseph. A check in hospital, I think for friend. King Joseph A. St. Francis from the Busoma to the Gish for Bahomon Jumana. I didn't know more, yes, sir. A Juma Baco and I say, or Tina, oh, my phone, no more so much uniform professional, uniform crowd in the board. Number one, no better primary, no more 800 cities. Green national monument, or better material for me 800 cities. Over 2 boots, now I had this cities.
One out 2 boots.
Yani to your boots, you would have for officer be a yani to boot 800, 900 cities. Come on, I say, and if it only 600, if it only 650, and to pay immigration is
all that glitters is not good.
I say, what the financial 3,000, but number one, green national 800 cities a film. I want to come 750, what to boot 800 cities, and I did coffee, and I did rent. Rent the company, you could rent as a member, like a canoma for Mofa, and to buy a kind, and it's buy or more the prison before. Or more direct and answer when you get me crony and justice. Much more be a moment to minute.
There's a prison for you, your Musicano 101.
Because of the mamma, or more direct and a chief justice.
I mean, sir, Chief Justice, acting Chief Justice, you don't know.
Into the area, himself free corner before it. I mean, we are not envious. We are not envious.
Immigration officer, I don't penny be so you didn't go.
We are not envious. We are not envious.
But I immigration for Mammy Fonsi and Nipani Dawson. Immigration officers are complaining too much. I've been trying to reach out to Muntaka, but Honorable Kofi Akonokoi. Evalu ajomolo jira mrasebejani wanya misko wa ha omo si omo network atiko omo transformer eja atom omo frɛ wa wo se onye aban ene wa be si transformer me pacho kuku ahwehwe ne number na frɛ no etwa to so ya abrante na be kana se be bia na no kurenim ono abo mesrew ye frɛw be you are no ebia na wan kasa ebia wo kan o man to asiye ko o manfo nyina ate se wo se wonye mrahye wonye aban no abeye transformer wo de o maka wa ha no no wono na frɛ kan na meni ho se mi jatum saa na ekosa akoye se mama kwan ama obi agu hu fi enu ntina ye bo modin ase e be reach you na wo so wa be chire mu wadama se won kasa ene me de mawie madwuma yenko hello good morning aha yentie minister
every Ghanaian would want to be there. So we are putting in all measures, especially knowing that that's going to be the final game. Every Ghanaian would want to be there. So we put in all the necessary measures, creating the fan bases around for Ghanaians to have a feel of our final qualification game for the World Cup. So I believe that all will be well. By Wednesday, we should have the tickets out so that people can start purchasing tickets for the game. We will once again engage with the security to make sure all the necessary security networks are put in place, so people who are coming to watch the game and people who are also coming to play will have a safe environment.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Kofi, why are you introducing a sports levy?
Sports levy?
Yes.
I didn't hear anybody talk about.
We are told that the government is introducing a sports levy.
No, government is introducing a sports fund that will be able to take care of all. We will have a well-structured funding for sports. Mm-hmm. We do not have that, and because we do not have a fund, just like the way we have for education, for health and the rest, it's actually challenged our supports for sports and sporting activities. Young people qualify, they struggle, they go through all the processes, and you are unable to push them to participate in the competition. So the government have decided to establish a sports fund, a fund into which all manner of contributions will go into the private corporates, the public corporates, individuals, government itself, and through many other sources will be able to put money in there to use in the development of sports.
What is before Parliament now, and does it come with a levy? Because that's a media discussion that the government is introducing.
Let's work with what is before Parliament. You see it. Every document that goes to Parliament, you will find it. You can't establish a fund without a levy. Surely every fund must have a form of a levy that contributes into the fund. I can't specifically here say what levy will be approved by Parliament or not. The bill will be laid in Parliament when Parliament resumes, and Parliament will go through the processes to get the act passed. And once it is passed, a legislation will be developed.
Okay. Enti assembly nyina ne say sports fund no e was said to be e komra hyebeja fie ne yate to no atom to sports levy no ba you cannot establish a sports fund without a levy. And they just say sports levy ba. Beka cry into next for car next levy beba. Immigration levy. Teachers. I got that. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Greater Accra Eastern Voter OT, get ready. Maminti ano peminia.
Pacho me kasa free OT region.
O kasa free?
OT region.
Kasa ye duru ho. OT kasa.
Pacho wenye mpese me bo me bi ni office central.
We officer maminti o immigration ana.
There is no
and the obetima boss and who police are now prisons are now say military prisons mamin too. But your line is faint. Your line is breaking. Hello. Oh, too bad. Greater Accra Eastern Voter OT. Yeah, Kayasem.
Parchasem, Kawasem. We know name Parchasem, Kawasem. What the more for me, Buateng, Kawasem. Central announcer, Kawasem.
Greater Accra Voter Eastern OT. Kawasem. Oba Homano Swa, Mayente Wonka. Na wama TV volume na conform Mr. Ni die kwanso. Esa anyasa na uti hona it's echoing all over. Yeah, man, too. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, your mind.
Pacho, mind ye.
I'm doing this to my Casafi Sovina.
Who got Safi? Somenya Kawasima no pay from the eastern region.
That's for my BBC, less than 26 and no disqualified. It is the same person woman extra education office was saying. And yet the person at Ghana for to disqualify no. I'm only here to coach me to feel and you feel and you feel so you feel so you not a colonial less than since I one time to
Yo, Mate. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Hello. Hello, good morning.
Me pacho hwani.
Me pacho Femi Yakubu.
Ya frefre.
Ikakati kofodia.
Yakubu Kasa.
Awani ni takran amatu. Na ya mtakarifen. Hello.
Mete onka Yakubu Kasa.
Ya mtakari ya Grace.
Ya Grace. Ada wa yeda.
Yes course nyoma le blow ka se dia Grace patu smile on patu smile emma
me ba cha no no oni ho wai wa yi ma no wo se no oni ho
anya no
ba cha ya Grace titum yes dia ba bi wa wo mo yes sponsor mo e call ya u delay efi na kro ben delay Yakubu on delay bi wai
yo mate
anu no makasa cha ya Grace
yo mi da
osina sima no and ya Grace when you miss call. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa cho hwani. Your friend say
Aja ko di atantra here.
Hey, aja ko di atantra here. Me ma feel. Now what to say? Mami tia, enso ton kran na. Asu jira musa o. Mami tia no pay.
O man. Ka ka am ke nan se ye be se MPP mpani ko. Ka sana no ye din. Ya bi wa se da ko. And so o kan na anu de go. Ba unya anu musa country radio ba ko mo so. Ndi ye din aso ba mo se ko. Ba mo no.
Gabia Sarachri Daku. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Why do you?
Yes, I'm from home.
Oh, free. Pacho Mantio. Oh, my antio no pay.
Sampa conflict, you are not giving any update. You are not giving us update on Sampa conflict.
You want update on Sampa conflict?
Yeah.
Okay. I will let Boama check and then we get back to you, okay?
Yeah, because I've been watching always.
Thank you very much. They want to know what is happening in Sampa. An update of Sampa conflict. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir. Why are you? Empatuem was Antemantem, me boy. Empatuem was Antemantem. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Why are you?
Adam Sinyo Abuba.
Adams Aboba, may you?
You, can say, sir, MPs and someone.
me bomb pa think delegate ni metie pa na ke ewura ko blaji Japan enka kaka omo a omo sa kesifo na omo di enimu ho na ko bunto bia mo yes rewo mo na ka ko blaji Japan ko bunko to ma na ke be bia ni din
ko bunto ma eye ko blaji Japan Nanka Baumia Canada ni Brian Champo ya omunka omo
na ko mu dinyira kura na ka ko blaji Japan pa no kure na me ni muri dedicate ntie maye oh
Wajome. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy. Oga Safri. Achima Kwetia. Kawasem. Miso ya no achia ho kakra na online ni twitwa. Eye. Ai, baby o Ghana, ene de baby ensuo to. Fachame. Na omo etie ni mi amo nyina yente hwe. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, why ndi ya ma one so kakra ma me why?
Ni di ndi James Adakwa.
James free
ni free Accra na me driver ni anopei enya me dia tomo pa ni hwam.
James Kawasem.
Masem ni fe. Me driver ni na ye tie ni fe no kwemi nya mi ni. Said ye kele ya pom we bia na me penasem papa masa. Se ukọ central region pa to free praso ho sompa FM ko asinfo so amata ukọ hwe de we kufu adu eti ye kwan no pa wo fa asinfo su kurumu a kele Japan free so odi so be almost be 24 years that we free so o men this for green akonya no mata me fu se man no ama efi ho me penasem mata me driver ni me fish car driver ni coastal ni na de gire ko ni na minimo the way am I no here and then me share a white TV TV no as like that you will say MPP ni bia alcohol da and then my obi a wodi kan Japan chi wa ko tira ho no criticize say amount for to abama kan Japan masa kan Japan wa ko ye ni pe bia we busieni ma party no say delegate na hwe ye na wo ko to abama kan Japan enu anu party na gu me na me ka kire na masem tosum yinu se no kweri nya mienu ni masa se odi opa tisi a motem station ho mu pa mo faka se mo ko mo trabo ase kwa ko dunkwa efi dunkwa kwa ko what they say efa wase kropon no ne zon kwera masa ko hwede galamti ye anta ase mo were kra ba wo
that's it. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, we are all the 5 northern regions. Get ready. Pacho, meet you.
Me did this really make us free. Ni mama mobi.
Yo, Suleiman, meet you.
Ede me fa akonya su achia Zugran bokona ba azoka bo ra second. Na
na yɛbɛda ɔmanpanyin ne majority leader paa sɛ ɔmama kwan sɛ akunkum kɔ so wɔ bɔkɔ a obiara ntumi nkan ɛno na dɛ kasa nkurɔfoɔ magu dɛm pie etuo tutu wɔ bɔkɔ na saa nkurɔfoɔ no ɔmo nyɛ tuo no wɔ hin ɛyɛ sɛ mpanyinfoɔ mu aban mu wɔ interest in bɔkɔ ntɔ paa nti ka ɔmo ntumi nsi ano bɔkɔ no anko ano ɛyɛ sɛn a dɛ biara yɛsi ekum nipa dɛ biara yɛsi ekum nipa amina the majority leader nsɛm a ɔkɔka sɛ ɔwɔ fa ɛyɛ wɔn person nti wɔntumi ɛnka beebiara mfa ho nti ɛna akunkum a innocent people zɔkɔ ana soldiers san ku nti ɛyɛ ma wɔn ɛdeɛ gya beebiara ma wɔn ne nyame ne bi onye wɔn ti paa.
Okay. Ono so se boko ekumkum nipa na obi aka na atum ne yekum nipa wo boko mame enko na yemko esre mantem kawasem
me no ni me pacha sem kawasem me no ni me pacha sem kawasem otemuafo me bu aten kawasem o central announcer wam kawasem
ono bo fia no akono koi ya frɛ wo saa phone na dum Fabra na me bebo famam na me mo no hu se ye try se e frɛ no se ko mo ko parliament FM Sumpa FM okay the honorable me frɛ wo phone na dum se wo tina se wo betima na number you go frɛ ya ko be dey hu afrɛ ba all the 5 northern regions. Let's hear from you. Kawasem.
Me no ni me pacha sem kawasem me no ni me pacha sem kawasem otemuafo me bu aten kawasem o central announcer wam kawasem
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Why do
you Tamale?
Kawasem Minia.
Just about concerning your route from Bolga to Tamale. From Bolga to Tamale, a woman a double 5. And I'm trying show corner. One, as a driver on Namsua, who road mark be our kind of so. Secondly, police for a radio and a joint fancy on Bejin distance a woman from Bolga to Tamalino. But man, more than 30 to 45 minutes. Now we share another barrier.
There's a share petrobia.
Share petrobia, one share barrier.
As will be how preco.
Be how. Because of the conflict there, what that northern side tournament.
That's right.
Sir, Yamifa Sama can't be share one thing baby. So could a so could a kaki so could a basu. The moment I wanted to say, let you be mercy. Road marking idea be as you say, I come once a month. From different young trouble, from Polyga way back to Camalino. Open up one road marking.
Hey, Nana County boats are where. New buses are a water system. China light to move you, she left pocket light to move you. So, to the light now. So, when I'm born, what you slow down. No, I'm packing. What you say? Hey, and a quite dear. Your best from Bolga to Tamale. Bolga to Tamale. Okay. A tiny soup. Don't deny. Don't deny. Just we list mistake. We shall be. We list mistake. We are my light. Maybe a bit to charge you. Can of police. Police. Okay, Mate. Me did some penny 40. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Why do you?
Your friend about me. I'm Pacific Sandman.
Your friend say.
About me, I'm Pacific Sandman.
Hello.
Aman.
Jadi Ochren. Why we about Santa Regina? Jadi Ochren. Why we about Santa Regina Mankasa? Voice no minimum ni pakro. Mami Modi. Train. Idru so a obeba. Why?
Why?
Uni free so na menya kwa. Say a friend me ba we.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Pacho why ni?
But I think I just have a campus.
Mami ti wa no peka.
Me kasa fi BC.
Kasa.
Na me pacha office in BC ba Kumasi. What's on for mu ko mai? On bisa gan kan so ma wa nya gan kan na ma wa. No mu jiska. No mo ha e kwam pa.
Wa mo na jubiska police for.
I custom for mu ko so.
Custom for no okay. Okay.
But o so we ni gan card o mo ha e kwam so pa.
Uni Ghana card on my house ah.
You call it FA. I'm a American question, baby. I'm going to miss Saki. The question is, why are you talking about? And then 18.
Mati. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Pacho, why do you?
Bajo, every this word you delivery. No, they're again.
Kawasem. If I talk about TV volume, ninko from Mammy, why? TV no low one. I didn't call from Crown. I'm in Tiwon. Can you why?
That's you.
Aha. Me too.
I know. Let me see. That empty open our own family. If we need to get idiot, we need a idea of the chance to more to one more and go on. Well, yeah. But
I also assemble and why be kind and no cray.
No, because almost free, almost so I see. The way you send the almost free MPM is there.
Yes.
I mean, that's it. But I can never say. Yeah, or
your friend free evaluate Jirana or say MPNC 1 year, you know, ha. Or see and no cray.
Eh, and I'm saying, my animal, when you better, but after I see you more friends won't because better with the Jana and can have anything only.
Okay, now just but MP no phone a doom. Ebia on saw the phone. And must say bia or tea yentina wa doom no. But yentimi conclude sir. E was say ye nyano. E china kra no se e ba ne se e be nyano a. Ye mema no kwan ma na kasa. Aha. Yeah, I'm not interested in anything with my spite. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Yes, I'm a fellow. From Bolga to Boklin, so Adaruma.
Oh, Cassa free.
Make a free Bolga.
Come on, sir.
What Aruma from Bolga.
Uh-huh.
And from Bolga to Boku because of conflict, you know. Say, Makusa, Makusi for you, Remako, Omo base one arm. Omo de convoy. Ena Ediko. Na ade kakaya na ha adwene a me wura ho no ma as a driver me ko hunu kakaya ho no step so on the convoy na ba with bus na bia military cars be bia 4-5 na bia bus ni dey fin na o mama soldiers agina join na America eya na bus no ne military cars no e di wura kuro no and a Georgina and Chen no. Said they say Akola be and a mistake near Akola move to everything. The little less mistake I'll be a one who can also cross can't never what to flat. And America and yes, America Ketwa. Near many as a driver, bus driver and Kura Krumo, and then 4 days number 3. Near many can again and be Kuno. Said they. So we are one of Kudu Kuro Measure. Because en town class na sa fa bia load ko hono na de to so mi no so omo de kom membership for ni mu sa say you went say from I wanna mpakwa na kakra ho wa say from walwale so no forest mu on so e na problem kakra ho but while you see a convoy you hope you. Oh my James, so there will be free bolaga. Yes, you call. Ye ma convoy you.
Ah, yes, sir. Ye jaw convoy na bibia betima to. Yes, sir. After convoy, hello.
Convoy in the forest, and so 10 minutes, 20 minutes forest. Ubetima 90 minutes, no 91 to very biano. Theater straight being phone in some way. Ha, Mosha and some count.
There's a what tribe there be a conflict no one now. Unam forest Musa.
Yes, the moment of travel, Unam forest Musa.
There's a big grab to my quarter tell her proud.
And not say, I don't know, man, to quite sorry, I'm not shooting the book with you forest in the mono.
Ah, okay.
And to the idea, some more convoy, sir. So, it is the idea to call us.
I think I can understand where you're coming from. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Pacho Wendy.
My family, Sammy.
Okay, sir.
Northern region.
Northern region. Kawasem.
Yeah, my family is feels Yankopon about Ghana for enjoy. I check on my penny could phone at the buy. I'm hearing some paper my heading. Hello.
Meteo Kankasa.
Chika, or my more egg, I thought I'd be more school. Yamian Nimukre.
Summer went to your winter school, Asaba.
Hello.
Me say, a brave now just so could yes, can son of Benya school, Papano, Asaba.
On my Asaba. Men better my boss could be the busy 150, has 15,000 Ghana.
Hey!
10,000 Ghana, and make us a million, your mind, better body, may body, tell a mechanic. But they cost to pa, Mr. O my nata, or my penny, anymore. As a minister of music would get when you must be a mushe. Now for a papa,
Mate. Sadi we pa. It drew maybe now quite to say, and no crack on the teachers. A headmaster, some conference. Now, man, for the every per share or more. Cut it. Oh, man, penny, every desire school placement, they be training them. Some Kai Jacob for. And another do free SHS by a crowd there, a year crowd. The free SHS in Koi. And then our system, no dear no my own antenna. I'll know about her and address you. Our phone is soon to do. You see, I see schools I can see, 10,000, 15,000. Upokuare prempe ya santuanum ne grade A schools no. Utia obinya kwan. Why no mutia mano? Masem nyina no. A headmaster no na eje. A beza no. Anasa academic headmaster and a teacher nibo school na. Mo se dey mani a kire no na okotua no de ukọ a headmaster only am admission ana. Ada machine no placement machine. And you see a bimususu. Baby or more yes placement no. Young boys they go a honor more placement. Utia ya ni above bed in asho. Unya you do ma or no logging into the computer. How is this thing happening? Oh, too bad. Mamini Jamrana for Yamra Santa region, I may be. And there Santa region, I'm some Binyamre pa. Now, maybe I am a mamma or Ghana Henna, the academy, the mammo. Tiawa, we are bar train, and then we be our man to mama, all women in Ghana, across Ghana. It pick a Santa region. Cajun and magic drinking water. Azuka, may I buy us now? As Anna Mekono. Oh, when you're press of park at your account, but who's a winning answer? Cajun and magic drinking water, alkaline water, 8.5 pH. Unim say moja unsio wo nipadua na alkaline nyame na yenisa. It wonum Cajun, you are going back to basics, the original. But modern no monsieur be anopa wi anwumre fa no modro odidi wi anom o anopa sorry for free bowels obenom. Kenjin and Magic drinking water is the safest and the best drinking water I can recommend for you. Your Breman UGC Tafuni Road, Samson Abu Abawa Route Junction. Your number is 0241449191. 0241449191. Jabin Rural Bank. Bank Sronko, the Rural Bank 2022-2023 best banker. And pay me come for your sample loan amount. So ba na say watch the ukofani ma hu di onya. Ye no ni how be a danwa ye be ma loan. Ye do obapa loan abama ma. Any day savings account, current account, fixed deposit, microfinance, susu shares, dachinti aima mofra ni nyina Jabin Rabank ye be a new office cry ewo atonsu kwa no so abomodin ahye ne so say ubetimi akoho ejeso fumeso asepe Roman Hill adeshima New Road etimetim aboaso bonwire onwe ye headquarters ye Jabin and that phrase 0544 745856 0544 745856 Novigi Studios I'm your one kind Malam Abasi, First Kokroko Street. Na say about professional photography, film production. Eba say we a filmmaker, we a photographer, creative director. Obe say we just skit. And now say obe say we a wonderful setup for photo shoot. No many idea. That is the place for you. Noviki Studios, RSYD Noviki Studios. Freying Nenye Buki 057 471 5778 057 471 5778. Let us create something extraordinary together. 21st Clinic, a sciatica expert. Utu asiatwetwe sa ojo hu ba bia nye. Bomodna fo nibra na ebe shade. Your machines ahodo, your mfidi ahodo, your labs, your scan, your massage machines. Na ewie ni nyina twetwe ye ni awie de bibidru account. Yeah, expert in sciatica. Bomodina Frey was 0540311311 0540311311 TIME Time Herbal Mixture for loss of appetite and general bodily pains. Hot me to 2 now the beer juma ba uche say ubransa no wada unya Time Herbal Mixture bo and na say eba malaria and so there obo ba ko mienu na wasori esi awoko no a draw papa a malaria papa. Yeah, the Time HH mixture and then the capsule swaba. And also so a boosting immune system. And my uncle way didn't hear koya there. Rashes be a guguo, Johnson, I will bread, Coba said, do maybe a one day 1 permanent over bot Time HH mixture so I overcall. For 0244 417669 0244 417669. A fay 3A cold capsules, the Cocoa Master. Cocoa diunyache, but 3A cold capsules. A best cocoa nasi, a few mojemu, Sanso sona, and Kamba baba, and my constipation, so ma, and I will see Yadi in Abeco. Colinak, Danny Heba, Misty Heba, Apidanku Benya Biato. Your number is 0546 107 107 0546 107 107. Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters. In fear dunum ni yen yedi Kingdom garlic capsules. Yedi garlic capsules eba Ghana. Na massive nyina ne say a natural health formula. Ma vaginal infections. And no na wakoje tremendous capsules. And no na wakoje so ba infection atena so ache. When your menstrual disorders. Obu nsa 10th, obu wana drew 25th, obu wana drew 1st. Enye papa. E basa de we are a tremendous capsules oba na NCSU. E wabu nsa wie ni nyina echi wo sa te pampan bi ana nka wo wase bad odor. Kingdom garlic bitters BCC wo ba ma kama. Your Kingdom ginseng power capsules. Why emre wompem obu bobia obeye den. Usisi ye wo ya wo ha wadwiri mu na ye bebre mental stress wo ho no ma wotim se ahoden a wo se wonya no me nyare so mente apo eno ye Kingdom ginseng power capsules ebeboa papa afa garlic capsules ne bitters na mu e ma nkomo ho ye den e ye stress releaser won atese da bia wadwiri mu no bibia wo da afei kodena 7 ade de unkoto dwe won arthritis afi won setimi yetitriti o pressure was so sa Emma from da. O honma na won sa wo so one way a stroke no Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters. Afi wakoma about peri palpitation o cholesterol level so when nyina no eye Kingdom. Your number no is 0597 298 855 0597 298 855. Not bibia enkoso. Hwetwere usin and no Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush. Brushy, your kiddie, brushes ahodo ma mofra. And your Prince, Monarch, Duke, Duchess, kiddie. Let's just treat you like a royal. Afi toothpaste no, total care no Emma cavities. As I was seen to no entimi ma. Afi James ekore rama was sin kakabe mo na be free ho. And a plaque now was saying kanka no. On the total care toothpaste, education, a ball who buying, a boss who buying. You were whitening toothpaste, a member was saying fit. I pay hair barno, and my was sin who you think. One is saying, oh, one neighbor, when you are an M1. Samri, Bomodena Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush 0302 235 296 0302 235 296. Asante Region, Yabia Humana Tum, Yakaya Sem.
Me no name parcha sem. Kawasem. Me no name parcha sem. Kawasem. What for me buaken. Kawasem. Central announcer wem. Kawasem.
Oh, Asante Mantem ha ubetimi afrey 0551931931 0548931931. Just give us a call. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, man.
Pacho Wendy. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, me tell on Wendy.
Debate Sammy Prince, the Casa Free Dynamic.
Kawasem Prince.
Oh, my name, the one who is under the now, let me say, Minister now, now, director, almost a banner from Mamma Mobile. You won't be serious treatment and
That's not a woe.
That the minister and Kwan as you. And the letter to one minister now, and you know, good replacement in this region, and after the dinner, and this is for a bless her. That's a moment director to no crown to me for more money. It's for my little master, no, who no more minister and a minister in the education.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello, morning.
Good morning.
Wendy.
From one of the Planchiaqua, the Casa Free Abra Professor.
Kawasem. Brava Brepa and Son of Rena. Hello, good morning. Morning.
Oh my, if I'm a Kwakudi on the free, come on say.
Kwaku Kawasem.
Oh my, they can't make us up a choir. Yeah, Uko Kuma as score it, just as score it. Now, when you see as score up, Eku Kuba hands fine. Now, how far no qua a quite a 2 months who no call them. I'm an man who really man who pa did them. Come up and say, what if you finish about the Nicholas American for free? No, every could Now, I cried and they so top. That's a sort of second wow. So the we should look out do time, who time, Nina, and then go up. What if you finish that? Echo Colmia. All kind, and then I said to I think quite all kinds just myself.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Kawasem.
Never told me free, yes,
Kawasem.
Then told me. Garamsi no Masam Gaka. This is a percentage that you achieve to me. This is a Garamsi man. Yes, man. Then I am going to one more. So more end.
nipa na yɛ bɔne nipa na bɔne a wayɛ no fine ɛnyɛ ɛmran no yɛ bi but yɛ so yɛkyi nipa baako no adwuma no saa akɔ so de yɛ kɛkyerɛ paa sɛ ndi wobɛtumi atu aseɛ nti ɔno nko a na wɔyɛ saa ayi yɛ concession de bi bɔgɛ no nyɛ ne dea da bi yɛmpɛ no wɔne ɛhwɛ nneɛma yɛ nneɛma a yɛhyehyɛ no Ghana nyɛ
Mate osinti yɛkyi wo ntumi galamsey na jayana. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oman.
Yes, sir. Why nie?
Mpache friend Boachi, Kachesra Bontem.
Boachi Kawasem.
Oman, said the mayor can school replacement near Deno. Harding, high and so.
Me bacho, eti, presse, se open school, papa, utia obinya.
Oh, me say me will be catching me say, still, when I Nebeka, Garden City Senior High, or Shaboson side of a day school. The man also up to Tuja. Make me afford a lot of fair in and out 40 cities. But we give home common. A different catch them say, send me pay me second choice 10,000 to be Yaman.
10,000.
10,000.
Open second choice now, Benyama is here.
Ubenyama is here.
Now is a utia swan ko nyama.
Me share yanko nyama. You say me chia into me bano. Me make sure say my neck careful. Me bano this year uncle school.
A same way as a concon but a very serious issue.
A very serious.
I will be I am confused. Omo who the omunya Moses yao. Now we bo just an overnight. I do chumo ade we ansi. Enti technocrats are negu ono. Enye omo anegu o. Ti se na na branch eke. Enti minister ba ku free minister ba ku ba na aye nwonran.
Oh my, yes, I don't understand. The bisa said, the banner, yes, we are okay. The person be, can I say, they didn't call the year change of school. The year, you know, they see a best friend more than 2 weeks.
I didn't say, wait, over Kai say, MPP pencil. Say, BBC is here. They made arrangement for regions, no. Now I will for alcohol. No more options be. Now I must select it. Oh, na ba. Other is a see how much you be one.
We say me call put you the education office. Almost on my friend say I'm going to go school a year. This man say I think 18. But if you some baby na body, mintoshi, because me media.
Esa na kwala no so tete oba na ni na fufu ya frɛ no menya ha mi ko school we ko school e jama reopen ni kra aye be basa
o man say pressure kra see me pressure and say me kwala o senka me ko adwuma but me show program so no and o say me come as
oh David
so to o man o mo hwe no mo je bibi mo aye ya o because me ba no me first born o say o ko school but me first born
Matuasipa. Masem new. Honorable Arena Drisu, is he aware of the predicament of parents? Is he aware? And I obinum na sabotage system. Obi wo honoma wo beso omo yet omo de ya manyo semana. Said the be ka say NDC for buy na yesa na. Ana omo na omo ye adwuma no NDC for buy no wo be pam omo. And new people buy no mu hu so ana. Because I don't get it. Last year, over to say school problem there, but where they are cross. Yet me time will be near deaf and dumb school near the Aquana or Abba. I dear Bakuan and this cassetia palm, the kite SHS Bafu from was say, yet will be a free Ashanti region, a cotton north. And was so my make up a day. A copper. Hostel Mano. And that was one thing NDC spoke about against an entity Omukasetia free SHS. Now you are in power and it's getting worse. And nobody seems to be. I said, why now? Masa, this education thing, a bit my a big backlash among NDC. a penny for a mutimi amoy NDC for no. Money Haruna do kasa. If there are people within the system almost sabotage a binwa, mum video mo out. Say Marco Franco for Frobisu na ba na mo asimusi. Because I don't get this. I do you all 4 years. Yeah, one way. I post two new people called TVET nominee a day. Problem BNC. There were problems, but they were teething problems. When they acquired the whole nation, I will force you. And I will go across and across the sea. Acquired Unya first a prempen on the Ampamo. And also system better. So just will be 10,000 when you're first and second choice. Yet in one back of when Kolani be school, ama or we nursing or compared Juma just kutia, teacher kutia, immigration tia, I paid the SHS associate. Ade. Oman Penny John Dramani Mahama, a dear we. When you be also saw Sanima we so, and new Minister of Education. I don't address you. I know you of a certain stature. Where there is beneath you. And I Monteana. I will find you so Monteana. And I'm the same time I can remember Ghana former. Bokawasem no. Now you take Ghana former. Woman so how our mobile. And now Kawasem. All women in Ghana who friends Google on your afla baby ayama oye bema me frɛ me srɛ mo Kawasem me Ghana woman am de ma wo mo oye Ghana ni ba na wutie mi a anopai de da wa koma so beka akonwa no na mema ne mo all right. So, a man from Pessoa Azuka. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me ba cho me se man en frɛ yini frɛ so. Me se time aka no for Ghanaian women. Give us a call 0551931931. Hello, good morning. Oye bema men frɛ me se Ghana former a man munya opportunity freche mano. Time I can you see a Ghana former so. Almost come asem. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, my dear. Why you?
It's a phone person, first what to look.
Yo, Kawasem.
It's all mine. And many Ghana former. Yes, Waba. Yes, Waba. So be able to have a neighbor. Na fe e ka say dey.
Ade na nto aba.
Na oh my. Ni nto aba. The need the agenda.
E ba cho dum TV no volume no. TV volume no dum no.
Obi ni twa hane ba. Na fe e placement aba na we so mu try dem. O ya mo ba no 10,000. Na na be no ba ye wa nya bibia enti o ma NDC aba power ye me mo awo mo
de course no any they say want to about my MPP. Oh yeah, we are better. Hello, good morning. Me ba cho e ma no move TV volume no munum no o radio volume no dum no o fra metal kan. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, my dear. Why dear?
Good morning, Pacho. My dear, I am my Sam Kasafui. Where am I?
Ohima Kawasem.
The Pacho. Oh, my name was Million to you. I said, I demonia me.
Hey.
I said, I demonia me. Yadi monya me omai.
Yes.
Eyepa. Ye denyame sepa. Ye no enwa na yenya no.
Ade.
Yentu aba yesi yento. Abandon ye enti yes system. Ena ya system. Ena ya kofa de ope. Ye pamba. VSHS yesi enye. Last say you. Yeah, to Abano. obi a MPP for no any omunyina so omonto na aban ne nye obaye ade bi ode abadi anye ena yakofa de ye ena ye de aba enti ye tim ye ka ni sa aye living no ayi oyi free woni nyina na o masake fufuro ba na ye ka ni sa pa
hey say ba no mo politics kwa wo ye che hello good morning Eba Joma TV volume ni nko for mame hello me do fwe me te won kaw me yi wa free so hello azuka yen ko foforo na me si dumu TV no volume no dum no hello good morning good morning Pacho wo radio ho anu atwe ho wo TV volume adum no why
Pacho
why na ka say
Pacho fema Afrakuma me ka say free Upper East
Afrakuma kawasem
Pacho me try there one na ufi border e ko be bia ye posting e kwan ni nya Uche moto so kra de kwan ya obi frato
hey oh na o try there
na me try there
na nkwala ro moto kasa
e kwan na enye kra
Afrakuma nkwala no wo de language be na kire o ma de
me de English
no mote
na show ma de na a big challenge
omote
enye o buni anet
ani a obre oh Afrakuma line nje hello good morning Pacho when die
Pacho me din am Afrikuma
kawasem
me Pacho school ni die na me system me can be
kabi
this year the school ni die enye pra o my the way enye my phone die agin semu can say but me ba onya
Sumpa FM ba nya school eh
onya aggregate 8 Holy Child o ma nfa no meanwhile
aggregate 8 Holy Child yamfa no
Holy Child wenya
adai
obi anya 15 okoye science wenya if we are against Obeska
no
obenya odo 15 no onya 15 no 20,000 wenya
okoye science for Holy Child 15 otia 20,000
that maybe
wenya onya 20,000 koye no ya fa de ba no
ya wenya simple
o banya aggregate 8 Holy Child yamfa no omo reason is say
sa won so tadi so to ko case kan wo ne case kan na wo be nya ata 3 days
na sa sika no ya hwan no muti ama omo
and they won ko for connection we ya wo be no
be bringing this corruption back
Sani obi din kan kan ne de ye peno ena na ya to aba no ene ye yi that is what we want if you know na e bin
I'm disappointed school senior high school oh no hello good morning hello wo jina susu
good morning
that to say
nya do mo ka sa fi ni wati bi ase adanti south
kawase medofo
e fe ne ja kwa de si ade de o mai de akoyi de anu oden pa se ti o be chakuni school sam no de ekono
are munya school mamuma
amai mo ba no nya school kura na de ne kwa yesi uji se uchi esika ena baby a wo no so ekwa wa enji si abese sama wo no so enu si yesi ji se uchi esika enji si anu so MPP aban e wo so no wo ye teacher ni kura na wo ji sika na aban ni hu se wa ji sika ye yi wadi adenti na se si aban we ba ye de yesi ji se ye twa sika nsa na ya fa ye ba na senya se teacher for kura na MPP wo so no na wo ji sika ye yi wadi ana teacher for no se si ano ya se teacher for na tiri wo eni ya teacher for pro e wo na de ntina se fi ade ekosa na nti yanti mamupo no ye blessa ana ye de yanto aba ni di amai ya sira mu ani de kwa so mo na mo ka bi ewom e mo ka abai timitie ya sira mu a ye de tuma nim kunya hu bibi ma ye na ti ade ga na ekọ no de e den
who say first SCI and I intimidate teachers and the intimidate headmasters. Na headmasters no aina abino and na ubkoti radio so culture of silence. We headmaster untimin kasa say na de mu person bayeni. The headmasters no say any some of the teachers say juma na mu person mu be die ni. Ana mo ma o mapani jo mama yes I said there MPP for hure teachers no it lot of the headmasters be bre kota o mapani jo mama echi. Say na juma mu be die ni. O mapani jo mama. O miss call you. A teacher for no ni headmasters ni bi e school ho no. Oma beye eyi omo ne nkrofobia ye cartel eti school on no first grade A schools no they see omo de gi aboarding obi si 20,000 me se me ti ba ko I think yes Santo anase one of the girls schools when utia ya obenya why no mu cheska na ma o it is headmasters ni bia ni abre den say MPP4 uko TSK, uko GOBCK, now many abriso mumpeso obi abejiska no. To sanitize the system, I will follow, obi attending the back of school open no. Mu complaining the same dear mubeni. Abam Kofi. Yo. And this in penny for Amwa Santimantema. Mu one cry mutimi. All regions. Muka be ye munchi o mampani jo mama sunsi ade we so tentem afi we chese de mami fo ikan di adanse say placement system ni free SHS no placement system na aye so bad now people are extorting money from mothers meaning so mampani jo mama you campaign on the ticket say oba o mema awofo o mema Ghana for ye ho atoye. People will not bully us and extort money from us. This is wrong. This is unbecoming of you. Your mampeni wa memo. Say your mampeni your mama at this time. Nem krofo afa bronya hon we crackers wo senior high school placement hon. Ada enti aban penny for monte. Regional chairman Nana Kwesi Asantuma wa wonte yana. Regional Minister, Wunti. Regional Education Director, are you telling me, sir, Wunti, dear Koswana? What is this? Is this what Ghanaian bargained for? Sir, who for back or the neighbor? Oh, Estati war, tertiary. And your university, or we are university, no. So, I can't compare nursing. This would tia, and son when your school, or co teacher training, and just would tia, or co military, just would tia, or co customs, immigration, would tia, and son yafano. Yatra was salmon abe normal, normalization. Sports for netty. And as a see idea, free SHS may use our system now, or be co school, I just say, you could tia be my headmaster and son yafano no, and a headmaster see complain. And okasa near ya suspend you, near interdict you, and tina abandi Ryan and opposition NDC muso mu and intimidation, culture of silence, and all your headmaster on to me Casantis headmasters no teachers nibi. Not the omo penny. Fast forward 1 year new, any 1 year. Just 1 year. Minister near ye in free honor. I do you more free ho. Yeah, the minister bakwaba. Are you telling me say technocrats now more hono? Or more placement hono? Or more education office? Or more Ghana education office? Or more free ho? And your man all. It's had an system into me maybe. ana mo ba no mayi omo na omunim adwuma no 8 years na free na mo dem nkrofo abegu na omu hunu so ana. What kind of bizarre happening is this? How bizarre can this be, say? And Nemremu in this modern day, yentimi placing kwala. Now kwala ba ko ne maami said na go to school for the deaf and dumb. Me kaisa matra radio swacho. Etimi me kasno NDC campaign vigorously not say omu pay free SHS. Ne mom say yebdi obi beto Navrongo na akwala no free Ashanti region. Na just say de maami eko pay school mano. No asa pe hostel amano SHS ba foforo. Abane timi ye ma sa system ni free ho. Or the sa double track ni ade. 2026 NDC says they will abolish double track outright. Unko school bi anko hu double track bi. NDC complaint was say akwala be ko school 2 months. No aba be tena fie be 3 months. Enu nti no na awofo etia school. Your friend say steady fee. That was the complaint. Nene akwala ni bebre bebi e de o makoto no. Yasa yo mu day. The same system 5 years ago unity ma mo complaining you know. And no say unity bi. What are you telling anti mo wo fie man sua bibi? Didn't you learn? And I'm going to say power na ya de power mawa. Then no no. This is not you. Say technocrats ni bi and o mako say NPP chichi and o mo sabotage ma face them out. Because God had the name obi on ma or your technocrats or your NPP ni obetim kra ma system na ajame say the be ka say NDC for nyem o ma hunu ye. Say mo asusu na mo hunu so a edutwu mo mfiri ha o Ghana ha ya. How na do so in the parliament. The equals with the time anyu. This is not what you campaigned to give Ghanaians. Your Excellency, this is bizarre. It is not. Why should at this time, in this day and age, I will form a company bill about Unya school maneva? Last year, what things say? Last 2 years with TV. SHS started and I after about 5 years, what is here say? Obi go school, Unya school, and I will go what to be that? Abba. Please reset the education well. This is not reset. This is not reset at all. Mami fancy I am bebe trasi. Bonyum na ni enkwa.